People with a tall height can relate to this, that whenever they go to some new place, they have to take special care of the doorway. But sometimes they bump in the doorway so hard that a massive goose egg appear on their head. But today in this video you are going to watch people whose height is not just 6 feet, not even 7, but more than that. Can you imagine how difficult life is for people taller than 2 meters? All doorway is a way too low and it's almost impossible for them to fit in an economic class seat. Okay guys, after watching this video, share your height in the comment box below and also tell us what do you think what should be the perfect height for a person. Now let's begin with the video and watch the tallest people in the world. Number 8. Lindsay Hayward. Lindsay Hayward is from California and she is about 204 cm tall. Lindsay is an American actress and professional wrestler. She played the lead role in several full-length movies. In 2013, Guinness World Records certified her as being the tallest actress in a leading role. Originally standing 6 feet 9 inches, she had lost 0.7 inches in height due to a slip disc. Lindsay Hayward appeared as herself in the show My Giant Life, where the show concentrated on her difficulties of doing normal things like clothes shopping, flying in a plane, or getting acting jobs. Number 7. Dalip Singh Rana. Dalip Singh Rana, better known by the ring name The Great Khali, is an Indian professional wrestler, model and actor who is best known for his work in WWE. He is also the first Indian to win the World Heavyweight Championship in WWE history. Before embarking on his professional wrestling career, he was an officer for the Punjab Police. Dalip Singh Rana is 7 feet 1 inches tall. Although his parents are of normal stature, his grandfather was well over 6 feet 6 inches tall. He has acromegaly, a disease closely associated with gigantism that causes facial deformities. Also, Dalip Singh had to spend a huge amount of money to stick to his diet. Due to active training and the huge size of his body, he had to eat 5 whole chicken and about 40 eggs a day. To this day, he is considered one of the biggest wrestlers in the history of sport as well as the largest person in powerlifting.
I'm gonna take a piss.
Number 6. Neil Fingleton. This guy name is Neil Fingleton and he is the tallest actor in the world. His debut happened in 2011 when he played the role of a bodyguard in X-Men First Class. Also he acted in 47 Ronin where he worked side by side with Keanu Reeves. But before he started his acting career, he was a professional basketball player. His height was 232 cm. Unfortunately, in 2017, Neil died at a very young age at 36 years old. Heart failure was the official cause of death. Number 5. Yao Defin. Yao Defin was the tallest living woman as recognized by the Guinness World Records. She stood at 234 cm tall. Her gigantism was due to a tumor in her pituitary gland. At birth, she weighed 2.8 kg, which is normal. But when she was 11 years old, she was about 188 cm tall, which was unbelievable. Her parents consulted the doctor, but her family did not have 4,000 yuan for the surgery at that time. After that, many companies attempted to train her to be a sports star. The plans were abandoned, however, because Yao was too weak. Because she was illiterate, since 1992 Defin earned a living by traveling with her father and performing. In 2002, with the help of a fundraiser campaign, she could finally afford the surgery. After that, she stopped growing, but that didn't last for long. A few years later, the tumor starts spreading again and Yao has to have urgent surgery. But her condition did not improve. All this time, Yao felt very depressed. But then, she met Zhang Songkai, one of the tallest people in the world with a height of 242 cm. The meeting, which took place in the hospital, made the girl happy and gave her hope and strength.
我的身体好，主要是我的心态好。
Yao died on November 13, 2012 as she could not afford proper treatment. She was 40 at that time. Number 4. Igor Vovkovinsky. Igor Vovkovinsky was born in Ukraine, but in 1989, at the age of 7, he moved to the United States with his parents, as it was important for his treatment. The boy suffered from pituitary dysfunction, which was the reason for his 7 feet 8 inches tall height. To stop his growth, the doctor performed 16 surgeries, however the growth of his back and feet didn't stop. By the way, in 2012, Reebok gifted Igor 3 pairs of custom shoes, which are said to be valued at $25,000, were molded exactly for him after Reebok took imprints and precise scans of his feet. Each pair has the name Igor printed in bold letters on them. Number 3. Sun Mingming and Zhu Yan. Sun Mingming is the professional basketball player from China and is believed to be the tallest basketball player in the world. He is married to Zhu Yan, who is 6 feet 1 inches and a handball player. They met at the National Games of China and eventually fell in love. Guys, if we combine their heights, that become 14 feet, and that's why together they are known as the tallest married couple in the world. Number 2. Sultan Kozin. At 8 feet 3 inches, Turkish part-time farm labor, Sultan Kozin is the tallest living man in the world. Not only this, Sultan is also certified by Guinness as the man with the largest hands in the world. His hand length is 11.2 inches, which is almost 1 feet. Like many of the other people on this list, Kozin's condition is caused by a tumor affecting his pituitary gland that has been linked to acromegaly. An attempt to remove Kozin's tumor in 2008 was thought to have been successful, but in the end, it failed to arrest his accelerated growth rate. In 2010, because the tumor was buried so deep in Kozin's brain, doctors at University of Virginia used the gamma knife technique, focusing beams of radiation to remove the growth. In 2012, it was confirmed that the supersized celebrity has finally stopped growing. Topping our list is Robert Wadlow, the giant of Illinois. Having reached a height of 8 feet 11 inches, Wadlow is the tallest confirmed person to ever lived. Born in Elton, Illinois in 1918, he suffered from hypertrophy of the pituitary gland, causing him to produce massive amount of human growth hormone. This condition led to Wadlow's height constantly increasing throughout his life. Doctors at the time had no treatment for this kind of hormonal imbalance, due to which Robert Wadlow never stopped growing. He passed away in his sleep on July 15, 1940. He was only 22 years old. Over 30,000 people attended Wadlow's funeral and 12 pallbearers were needed to carry his massive body. So guys, this is all for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe the channel. See you in the next video.